I'm Rachel and I play Bunny in the Velveteen Rabbit. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how I put on my bunny makeup. All right, so what I'm going to do is just walk you through how I do this. So I start with foundation. And the reason you do foundation is just, you know, kind of smooth out your face. And I really glob it on. And because I glob it on is because this isn't realistic. Like when you are doing makeup for the theater, you basically are just trying to get your, you know, your face to pop. So I'm not trying to blend for any sort of realism. I'm just trying to make sure that people in the back can see me. You know, the audience is set back from you. So what you really want to do is make sure that they can see your eyes and they can see your mouth so they know what you're saying. And this is, you know, where you express yourself. So you try to make your eyes really pop. Now, since I'm not doing any kind of fancy sort of makeup, since I'm just playing an animal, I just do kind of a general, very basic eyeshadow. Then, you know, I do a little bit of my brows. My eyebrows, I have very thin eyebrows. You might have thick eyebrows. And you're like, wah, you know, you want to maybe kind of do them up a little bit. So I'm going to do that. None of this is for close-ups. This isn't for TV. This isn't for movies. I don't have to look natural. I just have to be seen. Then I'm going to move on to some blush. Now, because I'm playing an animal creature, and particularly a stuffed animal, I'm making it really exaggerated. So I give myself two great big little, you're going to give yourself a smile right on the cheeks there. Big blobs. And then I kind of blend it down just a little bit. Like that. And then I'm a rabbit and I'm going to have some whiskers. So I give myself these little freckles. Boop, boop. And then I draw a line. Whisker, whisker, whisker. Whisker, whisker. Okay, so now I'm going to do just a little bit of mascara. Some people use false eyelashes, you know, particularly if they're playing a person or whatever. I'm not. I'm playing a stuffed animal. I'm not going to do falsies. I'm just going to put a little mascara on. So another trick you can do, or most people do in the theater, is they take like a white or a silver pencil and you do a dot in the corner. Yeah, real careful, like right in the corner here. And a little bit of a dot here. Now what this does is it makes the whites of my eyes look a little bigger and just kind of draws your attention a little more to the eye, which is what you want to do. Another thing that I do because I'm a stuffed rabbit is I give myself a little nose. So I just take my blush and I just do right on the tip of my nose, and you don't even have to outline it, it's perfect. Now, then what I do is a little bit of lipstick. This is just a little bit, just to make my lips pop. Again, I don't, because I'm playing an animal and a stuffed animal, I'm not doing crazy lips, just enough so you can see my mouth when I'm talking. There we go. All right. Once I think I'm all set and I have everything the way that I want it and I think I look pretty good, I powder myself down. Just a little bit of powder, mostly just to set the makeup. Kind of all over, very lightly. All right, that's it. I think I'm good to go, and that's how I do my bunny makeup. The only thing I have to do now is add the ears. Putting on the ears, and hi everybody!
What was that? What was that? I'm real. Did you hear it? Real. Positively, really real. Funny, I don't feel any different than moments ago. But I heard the voice say it, so it must be so. I'm real. Positively real. All the way from head to heel. I'm no longer a toy. I am so full of joy I could squeal. I'm so real, really real. Oh my gosh, I'm real now. I don't do with myself